Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to fix network problem issues. If not solving, how to solve it. First you have to go to the settings. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and like the video. Go to the additional settings, then you will find it here. Scroll down and you will see there is a backup and reset option. Click on it. You will see here there is a reset phone and there reset network settings. Click on it. Apply the password of your own and then click on reset. It will reset network setting. It will fix your network settings. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.